One day we'll say.
Alright, we're going night sailing.
Why he's doing this, I do not know. But it's fun.
One thing you always need when you go night sailing, Scooby-Doo towel.
Oh, let's get a close up.
You can never go wrong with Scooby-Doo towels. Keep you dry.
Ah, see?
You're surfing.
Nice. Alright, so we have our checklist. 1 car to use the electricity to blow up the boat. 1 sailor pirate dude. And here's the other. This is the ultimate and Army Air Force adventures.
I know what you're listening to. Sorry. I got a little carried away. What? He is, really? Sweet, dude.
Who is?
My roommate.
Nice.
This is my apprentice seaman, Louis. Yeah. What are you doing? That's good, dude. I don't plan on getting in the water anyways, because I'm an awesome sailor. Pirate.
Arr.
Arr. I hope my knives don't like freaking put a hole in the boat. I got like 2 knives.
That would suck.
That is not a 2-person raft. Yes, it is, dude. It's
I think it might
people, not necessarily 2 full-size people, but 2 people.
It's a 2-midget raft.
A baby's a person. I seriously looked at the picture, and it had a dude and his little daughter in it. Why are you wearing gloves and shit? Because I'm hardcore. Look at Alice. She's got grenade balloons attached to her, so she don't sink.
Hello, Alice.
That's not the best idea of all time.
It might be the most sketch.
Do you have a flashlight? Yeah. Did I put 2 in there? Where's the flashlight at?
As you can see here, our 2 pirates are preparing their boat for their voyage.
No, man, your army's strong. It's all good, dog.
Bug sprays in
Yeah, there's so many mosquitoes and junk out there. Oh, my bad. Forgot the wind was blowing that way. Huh?
You need glow sticks.
Red. Did you bring a flashlight?
He brought 2.
Give me a flashlight.
Turn the light.
I got an AIDS book.
Light.
An AIDS book. I got it.
Bring him.
You never know. Do you have a net?
I think you want that pink ball.
Take off his shirt. Yeah, where's some drunk clothes, bro? I need bright. His bed fall in the water.
Okay, notice how Nathan says wear some junk clothes.
Oh, yeah, I mean, for him, I don't plan on getting in the water.
Uh-huh.
This is my favorite shirt.
Uh-huh. Wait until they see this video.
I only wore it because there's a pirate on the back.
Yep. Now it's like a scary pirate getting ready to tell a story.
I honestly thought I was going to be the only one down here at this time of night, but... Am I going to get some of that? Is this already sinking? It's no, man.
As you can see here, the pirates are entering the water.
That push you in? Yeah, watch the concrete rip a hole in the boat. Oh, you're on my foot. Here we go.
Alright, hold on. Hey, you guys, paddle close to the dock. I'll give you the camera.
He's in the way.
Put your legs up over the front of it, man.
This could be gay looking. What? Dude.
No, I'm telling him to put his legs up over the front so he can scoot forward.
It's homosexual. Get off me.
Now scoot your ass forward.
No, I like move forward. I don't know how to move forward. This is gonna work. Gosh darn it. I'm so close to the water, it's so scary.
Oh
God, you're going under the dock.
Nathan, get ready to catch your camera.
Hold on. Let me get this oar ready to go. Here, take this. No, wait, Willie.
You have to keep it.
Okay, let me attach these and make it bigger. And I'll just paddle.
Stand up.
No, you cannot stand up.
They're about to go underneath the dock. We are now above the pirates.
No, I don't want to go this way.
Wait, they need their camera first.
Yeah, dude.
Yo, Nathan, turn around. It's gonna hit you in the head.
Hold on, dude. I'll paddle back over there in a second.
We can barely see you.
Dang it! Wait, where's the other one? I don't know. I need to, hold on. Paddle back that way. Dude, wrong way. That's a good paddle. No, I need to, like...
This is great.
I'm not very good sailor. There you are, man.
I think you're pretty good.
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
I'll dock you.
Oh, here we go. I found it.
I'll dock you.
Oh, shit.
we're going
God.
Nathan,
Nathan. I'm not going in there.
I lost the other connector.
Hold on, I got it right here. Now, hand me that paddle.
Oh, shit.
Get off the paddle. Let me have it.
You got a pretty mouth.
Hey, here's the connector. No, I don't need it. Oh. Don't get rid of it. Okay.
Yeah, here's the
What?
camera, yo.
Oh, crap. I have the wrong
What happened?
You hear he say, they're not reaper.
Watching that.
Oh, I know what happened. Okay.
There's nothing going on right now.
How much? How much? How much? Yeah!
Here's your phone.
No!
Oh,
no! Dude, what? No, dude. I don't like. Alright, we're going back. Where the fuck are you going? Trying to paddle. Paddle where? Dude.
Trying to run a dog.
I don't see shit. Bye, guys. Dude, go the other way. We're not going this way. I'm turning the camera. Oh shit, we're going wrong. Hurry, man. Come on. We're going wrong. We're trying to come back. I'm getting fucking stuck. Oh shit. Oh my god. Dude, seriously, paddle right now. Paddle. We are gonna get run over. Not that way. Just go like to the side. The paddle is to the side. Here. Here, hold the camera. I'm not gonna die. Fucking paddle. Fucking paddle. I need to film this. Is it recording? Is it recording? Dude, no, go that way. Go that way.
I'm
Fucker.
getting into the side.
Fucker, no. You don't want to go into the fucking... Don't go to the fucking woods, dude. No, fucker. I'm just going to go close to the side. Stop. Fuck, I'm going to get... Alright, we're good.
Point that out.
They slowed down, dude. Oh crap. Dude, they're coming over here. Or they might be getting off the dock. Dude, go there. I'm trying. Oh yeah, they got boats out there. We got boats out here. Oh, look at the waves, dude. Holy shit. Alice in the fucking dam. What? Yeah, Alice did it. Is she here? Dude, I would go back out there and find her. Huh? No. Dude, it's so hard to paddle out here. Dude, get up on the side here. I just want to climb up there, dude. We were like paddling so fast to get to the side. I'm not gonna hit. I'm gonna pop a hole in our boat. What do you think of the trip?
It was good.
Awesome. I thought you were gonna say bad, and I was just gonna cover it up as awesome. We have a trusty crew, a good crew. I'm getting pissed. Ain't no mosquitoes on a bike.